and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. Labour grants activities in 4 states over minimum wage. EFCC secures final forfeiture of 753 Abuja estate duplexes. Super Eagles coach invites 30 home-based players for Ghana clash. And now full details of the news. At least 3 states in Nigeria, including the Federal Capital Territory, experienced epileptic economic activities on Monday as members of the Nigerian Labour Congress and the Trade Union Congress declared industrial actions in protest against the non-implementation of the 70,000 naira minimum wage. According to reports, Nigerian workers stalled economic activities in Nasarawa, Kaduna, and Ebonyi states and the FCT as they commenced a 1-week warning strike. The strike comes as some states have refused to implement the new minimum wage in October and November 2024. The Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, has ordered an investigation into an allegation of the Nigerian police force culpability in the deaths and arrest of protesters during the August End Bad Governance nationwide protest. Amnesty had, in a briefing published a few days ago, accused NPF of using excessive force against protesters during the nationwide #EndBadGovernance demonstration between the 1st and 10th August, killing at least 24 people in the states of Borno, Kaduna, Kano, Katsina, Jigawa, and Niger. In the briefing titled Bloody August, Nigerian governments violate crackdown on #EndBadGovernance protest. Amnesty said those killed include 20 young people and older people and 2 children. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission (EFCC) has secured the final forfeiture of a large estate located in the Federal Capital Territory (FCT) Abuja. Justice Jude Onwebuze of the FCT High Court granted the order following a forfeiture order filed by the EFCC. In a statement, the spokesperson of the anti-graft agency, Dele Oyewale, said the estate, which measures 150,500 square meters and contains 753 units of duplexes and other apartments, is the largest single asset the EFCC has recovered since it was set up in 2003. And now we dive into the world of sports. Kano Pillars midfielder Rabiu Ali and 29 other home-based players have been invited to the Super Eagles B camp by interim coach Austin Egwanvan ahead of this month's 2024 CHAN qualifiers doubleheader against Ghana. It marks the 3rd phase of camping for the home-based players after the Nigerian Football Federation organized 2 earlier seasons in Abuja. The 44-year-old Ali, who has scored 8 goals in the 2024-2025 NPFL season, is joined by Remo Stars goalkeeper Kayode Bankole, Rivers United defender Stephen Mayo, Abia Warriors forwards Sunday Megwo, and Nigerian Premier League top scorer Anas Yusuf among 30 players called up for the assignment. According to the NFF, the players are expected to resume camp at the Remo Star Stadium, Ikenne, on Wednesday, 4th December. The first leg of the qualifiers will be played on Sunday, 22nd December, in Accra, while the return leg is scheduled for the Godswill Akpabio Stadium, Uyo, on Saturday, 28th December. Up next is the entertainment news. Princess Chineke, a Nollywood actress, has joined the U.S. Army. The former beauty queen, who represented her state in the Most Beautiful Girl in Nigeria (MBGN) pageant, has traded her crown for a soldier uniform, making a surprising career shift. The Nation reports that this makes her the first Nollywood actress to join the U.S. Army. Princess once modeled for several television commercials, billboards, and runways. Princess Chineke's decision to enlist has shocked many of her fans who remembered her for her captivating performance on screen. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Also, to get the latest news, visit our website at www.procyonnews.com. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us, and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.